everyone, welcome back. Does Depop work fine on mobile data but completely fails on Wi-Fi? Here's the fix from iPhone settings. First, go to your settings and then tap Wi-Fi. Find your connected network at the top with the blue check mark. Tap letter I in a circle next to it. Then, tap forget this network and confirm. Now, toggle the Wi-Fi off. Wait for about 10 seconds and toggle it back on. Reconnect to your network by tapping it and entering your password again. This clears the broken session causing Depop to fail. After reconnecting, try Depop again. If it still fails on this network, go to Settings, then go to General, scroll down to VPN and Device Management and make sure that no VPN is active. Depop's content delivery network can block VPN routed connections. Depop also recommends in their own help center trying both Wi-Fi and mobile data to isolate is the issue. So, switching from mobile data temporarily while a specific Wi-Fi network is their suggested workaround. So, all you gotta do is forget and reconnect Wi-Fi, check for active VPN and try mobile data if the app is still failing. Depop, connect, and that's it. Subscribe.